problem of hibernation.
Yeah.
For he was the result in machinery.
If there's one thing I thought y'all niggas would've understood by now, is I don't give a fuck. I've been doing me, I'ma always do me. Forever and ever. Embassy, TCP, guns and butter, carry gold butter knives. I only carry carry-ons to Caravana. We shop when the plane land, it's marijuana. True carry money, fucking hoes in the sauna. You real salty, you feeling salty. Assault rifles to high exalted. Above vaults, revolving doors, vaulted ceilings, and Karistan carpets. Armenian guns, 30-round cartridge. Apart from being partial, I've been the sharpest. Chardonnay with the chef, I guess I tried a partridge. Partake in vacations, parked at her apartment. And Uber to the airport in Polo Sport. Passports in the compartment, 12,000 in cash, I'm laughing awkward. Cognac with the dark man, dinner with jokes. Play the cards I'm dealt. We're swimming in these bitches like I'm Michael Phelps. Filipino women, I'm flipping through Philippians. Niggas get flipped on. You motherfucking Philistines, I don't feel a thing. Shoot a steamy sex scene with my kicks on. Niggas got this shit wrong. Got me fucked up, I'm chillin', switching my position. Already won, we not in competition. Taking shots at the cabin, home theaters in the townhouse. German cars parked at the roundabout. I've been around, you know what I'm about. The fly nigga, the love kept me afloat, the hate kept me on my toes. Yeah, the love kept me afloat, the hate kept me on my toes. The love kept me afloat, the hate kept me on my toes. Yeah, the love kept me afloat, the hate kept me on my toes. Yeah, serious sounds, nigga. Fuck out here, nigga. Just can't fuck.
Alright. After a while, conversation came along. They said that you're hooked. You've got dinner. The next 2 weeks.
As there seems to be no more questions, I think we ought to get on with the briefing. Thank you, Dr. Floyd.
Thank you.
Yeah.